How was that? Wow, you're strong. Oh my gosh, you're so strong. Airplane, huh? Wow, look at this girl. She's strong too. Wow. Sweeties. My sweeties. Are you guys in love?
You are the kids.
Oh, really? And this is our house. Whoa. You're strong. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
We're gonna dance all around the room. Like you did when you.
Oh, you remembered that story about when Abba and I first had our first date?
First day.
Wow, you were really listening. That's right, we danced all around the room. There's a baby. Oh, just a baby laying there. Okay. Cute.